In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix TradingView app chart not loading, JAD 2025. If your chart is stuck on a spinner or shows a blank screen, it usually comes down to a handful of causes: a weak internet connection, an outdated app or cached data, corrupted chart layouts, a temporary server or data feed issue, or a session that signed out in the background. We'll go step by step so you can get back to your analysis quickly. On mobile first, start by checking your internet. Toggle between Wi-Fi and mobile data, then open any website in your browser to confirm speed and stability. If that page loads slowly, the problem may be your connection rather than TradingView. Next, force close and reopen the app. On iPhone, swipe up from the bottom, remove the TradingView app from the recent apps list, then relaunch it. On Android, go to Settings, Apps, TradingView, tap Force Stop, and open it again. Try reloading your chart. If it still doesn't load, clear the app cache. On Android, go to Settings, Apps, TradingView, Storage, and Cache, tap Clear Cache, and if needed, clear storage, then restart the app and sign in again. On iPhone, there's no cache button, so delete the TradingView app, reinstall it from the App Store, and log back in. Update the TradingView app by visiting the Google Play Store or Apple App Store and tapping Update if available. Reopen and check the chart. If your symbol or layout is the issue, switch symbols. For example, from BTC/USD to AAPL. If that works, create a fresh layout by going to Layouts and choosing Create New Layout. Log out and back in to refresh your session. Go to Profile, tap Logout, close the app, reopen it, and sign in. Finally, check server status at status.tradingview.com. If there's an outage, you'll need to wait until it's resolved. On web or desktop, begin by clearing your browser cache. In Chrome or Edge, go to Settings, Privacy, Clear Browsing Data, and Clear Cached Images and Cookies. Restart the browser, sign in, and open your chart. Disable extensions that might block scripts, like ad blockers or VPNs, or try incognito mode to test quickly. If you're using a VPN, disconnect it. To flush DNS on Windows, open command prompt and run ipconfig flush DNS, then restart your browser. If a saved layout is corrupt, go to Chart Layouts, Manage Layouts, delete the problematic one, and create a new layout. If you use the desktop app, download the latest version from tradingview.com, uninstall your current app, then reinstall and sign in. Bonus tip: if charts are slow but not stuck, open Settings, Chart Settings, Appearance, enable fast chart rendering if available, and reduce the number of indicators or drawings on screen. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you get your TradingView charts loading again.